Hello guys, how are you? So today I'm gonna tell you how to do scratch programming some more betterly, and you can say more better, so and advanced you can say. So let's start. First you have this sprite. This is a cat. Yes, this is a cat. So if you don't want this, just simply delete this like this. So I don't want that sprite or character. So I want something different. So I can take it letters, fashion, food, sport, music, dance, fantasy, people, animals, and all means everything would be visible on this, as you can see here. So now I will see if you keep your cursor like this on the particular sprite, it will show what will it do. See, it will dance like this. You can do this is thinking like she can walk, and she will ask something like that. You can do anything. So for doing that, first I you should take a particular sprite, like if I want to do with the letters. First I will show you with the letters. I choose A, and then again go I choose B, again go letters, I choose C, again go letters, and I choose D. So these are the four sprites. Now I can arrange them in a line too. If I want to arrange them like this, I will do like this, like this. So the thing is, when you will be like this, and then suppose you come in A, you click on A like this, and then just go to looks. In looks, this is customize. Switch custom to A. Okay, so this don't have any like changing or something different. You can only just do something different, but I don't want this. So I go to letters again and see if they are changing. So see, this one is changing, so I can use this like the if story A. So it is story. I'll delete this, delete this, delete this, and delete this. I want A, B, C, and D. So just simply go down here and keep choosing these, clicking on these like this. Oh, sorry. I want C, and again go to letters, and the last one I want is D. So now I've all the characters here. I want to do it, and I want this size for 150. Enter. Okay, this is cool, nice. So I'll put C same. Would 150. Enter. One 150. Enter. And again 150. So now, yes. So now I've make the same size for all the sprites. Now I will simply just arrange this in a line so that you can see the programming. means the effect. You can do that. You can see and do it again. Yes, you can do this. Very simple. It's very simple. So first you go to looks, the second option, which is purple color. You have to go to looks, come to switch custom. Then there are three options. Okay, so first, if I keep that everything should be same like this, I will tell you. Go to control. No, events. Sorry, events is very much important for your program to start. If you don't have this event, you can't do your programming. So this is very important. This should be always in your programming. So first I choose this. This is now we can choose what we want that. Now I'm choosing that. If I click left arrow, if I click left arrow, then go to looks. If I click left arrow, story story A3, right? It will go in A1, right? Then make another programming, go to this again, take another one again. Now you have to do like I will do it. Upper arrow, go to looks, and then switch customization to A2 again. Next again I will go here to, no, sorry, here to switch customize, and then take this also. I'll keep here like this, I'll keep here like this, and then this is A3. So now I will show you what will it happen. If I click on left, it is same. If I click on this, it will change. If I click on this, oh sorry, I didn't change this. I'll do it down arrow. If I do this, it again change. And then so here, sorry, not here, here it should be A2, it should be A3, and it should be A1 again. So you can continue this, and like you can keep it same. If you want, you can put repeat, like go to controls, take repeat, and just simply put here, oh, sorry, just simply put here like this. What is this happening? Oh no, oh sorry, it's right. So if I then come here and what's sorry, so again, so now if I will click on this a left arrow, it will do like this. I think I don't need this. If you want, you can use that, but I don't need. I want to just do a simple programming and show you. This is for every single sprite in this, but some will not have that, but others which will have that, you can do with that. I took a simple one, so now I want to do A1 again, so I can put it to the normal one. Now, if I click like this, like I am doing duplicate, and just same for all. But you can do like that, or you can do the same for everyone. So now I will do it very fast. So I'll not talk for a while. Let's see. Yes. So I did for this also. It was a bit slow, but it's okay. Now it is for P3, right? You should keep it for P2. Same here, but change. Yes, it will be same and it will be B1. So now, if now I'm doing the same controls. The first will be left arrow. The second will be uh, up arrow. Yes. The next will be down arrow. Oh, sorry. I just want to put this. Yeah. So now, if I do left arrow, these two will change at the same time. Up arrow again in the same time, and down arrow again in the same time. So now I have to do it for these also. This is a very simple kind of programming you can do. This is very simple, and if anything you don't understand, please comment me and tell what happened, and I'll just make another video on the same topic on the right day, or it will be late, so I'll do another day, but it will be just now, so I can do it. I will do it. So now, if you have any doubt, just comment it. Till that time, I will continue. Mm, yeah, yeah. So I have again this. Now select the same thing I did in the last one. Okay, so doing yes, up arrow. This is in down arrow, and now change this. This will be two. This will be three. Oh, it's same. Sorry, and this will be one. So again, I've done the same, but first I just here. Now this is same. If I do this, left arrow, up arrow, and down. It's I told you it is very small programming and very simple. It would simply do this next custom, next custom, next custom. But if you want, you can do this. They would be give you better experience, and you can select it if it has some. This has some mistakes, or I don't know. I didn't try this, but this is better. I've choose that. So now again go to story D. Now go to story D, sorry, and now take a when this one, and take again like this, and keep doing that for 3 times. You have to do like this. You have to take here, take this to this, go to events again, go here, go to looks, and nice. So I have this three of them again, so I will put again the same programming for everyone. Up arrow, this is for down arrow, this is story 2, and this is story 1. Yes. So now this everything is programmed. Now let's do full screen and see what happens at the same time. Now I full screen this thing, and now let's see this. Oh, it changed. Again changed. Again changed. So now if I put left arrow, so it becomes orange. I click up arrow, it becomes blue, and down arrow comes in the green color, which is the normal one for this. So you can do this for many things. I will make more videos for this. In there are animals with fantasy, everything for this. So I will make many videos. I will make many videos as I can. So this is enough for today. And comment me if any doubt. Till that time, bye bye.